Good morning, everyone. I am Milton Janladao and I'm presenting fire intensity. So let's talk about fire. Fires are chemical reactions that occur in a mixture of gases. The type of fire depends on the fuel being burned, and the chemistry of each type of fire is different. However, all fire release energy stored in fuels and eventually produce carbon dioxide and water if given enough oxygen and time. So, yung apoy ay chemical reactions na nangyayari pag naghahalo yung mga gas na naglalabas ng mga stored energy at nagproproduce ng carbon dioxide and tubig. Nangyayari ito kapag nasindihan ang mga flammable materials and nabigyan o merong sapat na oxygen para makapag-produce ng apoy. The rate of production from fire determines the effect on the adjacent equipment and the structure. So, yung init daw na nagmumula sa apoy ay nakadetermine sa equipment o material na nasunog. So, yung solid and liquid material ay normally nag-aapoy siya sa ibabaw like gas and wood. In case of liquids, it is better to create a small surface area with a large depth of fuel than a larger area with a thin. So, sa madaling salita, mas maliit at mas malalim na fuel surface ay mas safe kesa sa malaking area and may shallow na layer. Kailangan ma-maintain natin yung lower fire intensity even if mas mababa yung burning time niya. So, yung init na nilalabas from a particular quantity ng liquid fuel ay humigit kumulang doble sa nilalabas same amount ng solid fuel. So, if ang inilalabas na init ng solid fuel ay 800 degrees Celsius, then possible na 1,800 degree yung sa liquid. So, oxygen reductions ay nagbablock sa combustion malapit sa nasusunog na solid and liquid fuels. So, pag ang oxygen ay nahalo sa fuel vapors, mangyayari yung ignitions and ang ignitions ay nagre-result ng fireballs. So, ang petroleum liquid ay kayang makasunog kahit mayroon lamang mababang level ng oxygen as low as 15%. Habang yung normal atmospheric oxygen naman ay 21%. And yung ibang solid materials naman ay kayang mag-apoy even mag-drop yung oxygen to 6 or 8 degrees. The intensity of fire means simply how hot the fire is burning. Some type of fuels naturally burns hotter than others. For example, yung gasoline ay mas nag-apoy kaysa sa wood fire, while an acetylene flame is hotter than a gasoline flame. Factors to determine the intensity of fire. Number 1, type of fuel. Number 2, percentage of oxygen present, and other factors that affect fire intensity include weather condition, topography, and rate of fire front spread. Type of fuel in fire. So, ito yung fuel sa apoy, yun yung nagdedetermine ng mga intensity ng apoy. Meron tayong fuel type, fuel load, plant chemistry, fuel moisture. Yung fuel type is yung combustible material like wood, paper, oil, gases, fabrics, liquids, plastic, and rubbers can all fuel a fire. Fuel load, the amount of fuel available to burn. Heavier fuel loads increase fire intensity. Plant chemistry, some plants like confiner emit flammable terpenes that contribute more to fire intensity than others, like maple leaves. Fuel moisture. The moisture content of the fuel can affect fire intensity. Kailangan ng apoy ng at least 16% na oxygen sa hangin para mag-start. At yung hangin na ginagamit natin sa paghinga ay nagko-contain ng 21% ng oxygen, which is more than enough para makapagsimula ng apoy. Ang tayo din oxidation, pyrolysis, oxidizers, fire suppression. So, yung oxidation, pag nagkaapoy, nagko-combine siya sa oxygen na ang nagpro-produce ng heat, smoke, ember, and gases through a process called oxidation. Pyrolysis. So, pag yung oxygen ay nag-drop sa 8%, mag-undergo to sa tinatawag na pyrolysis. Dito, yung heat, tinatransform niya yung materials into other substance by heat. Oxidizer. So, yung mga chemicals katulad ng chlorine at ammonium nitrate is nagpo-provide ng oxygen para makapagsimula ng apoy. Fire suppression. So, yung apoy, pwede siyang patayin sa pag-aalis ng oxygen na nagpapalaki sa kanya. Pwedeng gamitin yung tubig, buhangin, lupa, and yung smothering. So, yung fire intensity ay na-measured sa scale with 4 levels. Yung low, moderate, high, and extreme intensity. Whereas yung low intensity is flames are close to the ground. Moderate intensity, flames are few inches higher than low intensity. Yung high intensity naman is flames are high and can be hard to control. Extreme intensity, flames are extremely high and tower above everything. Fire can be also classified by the type material they involve such as Class A, Class B, Class C, and Class D. Class A, fires that involve solid materials like wood, trash, and textile. Class B, fires that involve flammable liquids like gasoline, alcohol, diesel, or oil. Sa Class C, it involved electrical component and equipment as fuel sources. Yung Class D fires that involve metallic substances such as sodium, titanium, zirconium, or magnesium. That's all. Thank you for listening.